What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're in Daytona, Florida at probably the world's largest lifted truck show in the world, and we're here to get some ideas on how to build our truck up. So follow along with us. We're going to look at all the lifted trucks here, talk to some vendors, and see if we can get some good ideas. So let's get started.
Hey guys, Jake with Fast Diesel Fuel Systems. So we're out here at the 2021 Daytona Truck Meet. Basically what Fast Diesel Fuel Systems does is we focus on protecting your truck. So diesel fuel is notorious for having water, air, vapor, and debris all up in it, which can cost you thousands of dollars in premature injection system failure. So what we do, and this is third-party verified, is remove all the air and vapor out of your fuel, over 99% of your water, which is something none of the competition can claim, and we have that third-party verified, and all the debris down to 2-micron absolute. Now, that's the filtration side, so we protect your engine, improve efficiency, improve performance, improve drivability, but if you're a high-performance build, or even if going after something like this, which is our triple turbo half-mile truck, from stock to completely crazy like this, we support all levels of power from stock up to 3,000 or more. So for Fast Diesel Fuel Systems, any diesel truck, whether it's commercial or light duty, we can fuel it.
So we can put this system on a completely stock and it's not going to choke it down any at all. It'll just help filter it better.
That's right. In fact, we don't recommend it because we don't ever want to sell somebody more system than they need. But even if you oversize your fuel system for your truck, let's say it's stock, but you're going to make 900 horsepower or more, you can oversize your fuel system, and all that's going to do is return more fuel back to the tank, which we like to call it polish.
So if you're modifying, should you start with this and then build up with the other mods, or kind of go the other way?
That's a really good question. I'm the marketing guy, so I'm glad you asked it. So we like to think of a fuel system as the foundation of it. It's kind of like taking your multivitamins. It's the foundation of a healthy truck, protecting your engine, protecting your injection components, because you can add a turbo, you can add injectors, you can add heads, you can do whatever you want to the engine, but if you're not feeding the dang thing properly, well then you're never going to take full advantage of it.
Hey guys, I'm Chris Nelson with Headlight Revolution. Welcome to our booth here at Daytona Truck Meet. We've got some full LED replacement headlight assemblies on display. We're showing off our tail lights, our fog lights, LED bulbs, clothing for some of the brands that we sell, and if you want to learn more, you can go to headlightrevolution.com or stop into our store in Atlanta, Georgia.
Basically, what are you doing? You swapping the...
You take out your stock headlights and put these in, and they are brighter, they look cooler, and they do more stuff. No, everything's integrated.
Okay.
Yeah, you have LEDs built in, so each one of these projectors has an LED behind it, and then this whole outside perimeter gets converted into a sequential turn signal. So you get white daytime running light, and it switches to amber, it scrolls for turn signal. They completely change the look of the truck, and they are like 2 to 3 times brighter than your stock headlights.
So what do? We send you our whole headlight?
Nope, you order this guy on the website, headlightrevolution.com. When it shows up, you take out your stock headlights, you install the new ones, and it's all plug and play.
That makes it simple.
And then we're launching a program on the website real soon where you can actually sell your stock headlights, and so you kind of get a rebate, a discount on these if you don't want to hold on to them, you want some money back.
Okay.
So here's a set installed. We took out his stock headlights, put these ones in. There's a white LED strip that goes all the way around, and then you can see the amber LED strip, and then right in the middle is the LED projector for the low beam and the high beam function.
That is cool. I like that.
Guys, we are here at the Daytona Truck Meet, and we are Pedal Commander, the world's most advanced throttle response controller. So we kill out the delay and then give you 36 different sensitivity settings for your gas pedal.
It's cool. Who's your biggest competitor? You don't even have one, do you?
I mean, we have competitors, but we have the fastest processors.
I've only heard of your company, so I'm sure that means something.
Yeah. No, that's pretty much how it is. We are definitely number one in the market.
Do you have to have a tune to go with it, or
not at all? You
can
plug these in and plug and play with pretty much anything that's got a drive-by-wire system, and then they stack with tunes. They stack with other mods. So
okay, so they don't compete against each other. Does
nope.
your tuner don't have to know anything about this?
No, they you'd want to let them know, because if you are tuning for throttle response, it may come into play. But most people don't tune for throttle response, and the nice part with this is that you get it on the fly. So you can switch between throttle maps on the fly.
All right. Sounds great. Yeah. Appreciate it.
No worries.
Hello guys, my name is Enrique from True Spike Lock Nuts. We offer a variety of products for wheels and tires. We sell antennas, license plate bolts, lock nuts, valve stem caps. All our products are pretty much, they can be customized. So pretty much our system, the way it works, is made out of a three-piece system. You got a steel lock nut, you got an optional lock nut cover, and you get a cap. And we offer over 50 different styles of lock nut caps that you can mix and match from. They fit virtually any vehicle, UTVs, SUVs, you name it. And we're based in Miami, Florida. You can find our products on truespikelocknuts.com. You can find us on Instagram, True Spike Lock Nuts, and Facebook, through spike lug nuts.
Hello, this is Panda Printing. We have a shop in Orlando and Naples, and we do custom wraps worldwide. We do anything you want. We have the truck over there. Underneath it has Louis Vuitton. This is our logo. Thank you.
Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the 2021 Daytona video. We got a lot of ideas for our Denali, and we saw a lot of other YouTubers. There was just many trucks out there that gave us a lot of ideas. And just make sure you follow us on Instagram at Swamp Boys Garage, and we'll see you next time.